tubers. What I hold right here in my hand is the ultimate grooming kit, and it's under $15. Tune in and I'm gonna share it with ya. Hit it. Welcome back, tubers. I appreciate you for tuning in. Happy holidays, because it's right around the corner, Thanksgiving. So you know it's the Black Friday sales, it's all that stuff going on. But most importantly, I'm going to share with you the ultimate grooming kit. And right now you can get it because of the Black Friday sales. You can get it on sale, but even if you don't catch it on the Black Friday sale, it's under $15. Period. And every man should have this. This is good for you. This is good for a gift. I like to keep it in my car because I never know when I'm gonna need it. Let me share with you the grooming kit that I'm talking about, because I know the suspense is there. Here we go. This is the ultimate kit that you need to keep your ears good, to keep your nails good. I'm gonna give you a closer look. Come on, let's go. Here's the grooming kit. It has everything that you need. 3 nail clippers, 1, 2, 3. We have the detail scissors right here, just in case you have hair in your eyebrows, in your nose. You might even have a string hanging off your shirt that you can cut off. Right here we have a nail filer, so if you need to dig into those nails and get them on point, there you go. We have a cuticle snipper, 2 cuticle pushers, and a cuticle trimmer. So that's for all, if you need to get right up in here, your cuticles, you can clean those and make them look real nice. Right here we have some tweezers, so if you have an ingrown hair bump or something and you need to get it out, there you go. A lot of things don't have this, but the earwax spoon. The earwax spoon, just in case you have some wax in your ear, you can scoop it out and get rid of it, because, hey, fellas, ladies, look at your ears. So here's the ultimate grooming kit that you need. Honestly, I don't use it a lot, but it's in case of emergency. I'd rather have it than not have it. And I'm gonna do you one better. Because of the kit that I just showed you, I'm going to share with you some better ones in the link in the description that have more accessories. And the price is better. But there's nothing like fine grooming, because that's what the ladies like. Make sure you subscribe. It's right here. And as always, y'all have a great day. If you see this after Turkey Day, I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. If you see it before, happy Thanksgiving. Gobble, 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 gobble. Ciao.